So printed out these cool Lego letters. You can actually use Lego on them. It prints out really well. You can hang them on the wall. And you can actually use them to build a Lego one as well. The link to download it is in the video description. You can actually use it with the real Lego. It actually sticks on, which is really cool. So you can make any name you want with it, and they can use it as with normal Lego, or the Lego which you buy in the shop. I thought it was really cool. It doesn't take that long to print out. I'm sure they're really cool for kids. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and keep an eye out for other videos which I'll be posting.